Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and something interesting is happening, and we're wondering if it's permanent. So, if you have used the Facebook app that came from the Microsoft Store, it's gone. So, of course, if you have it on your PC, it's not. But if you're trying to get it back, you're not going to be able. If you search for Facebook on the Microsoft Store, it just doesn't find the Facebook app anymore. Funny thing is the Messenger app is still there, but there's no Facebook app anymore. So I don't know if they decided that it's not worth it. I used the Facebook app from the Microsoft Store and kind of never installed it. After I did a reinstall of Windows at some point, never really installed it back. I'm actually pleased to use the Facebook through the web page, which for me works great, rather than the app. And there was some awkwardness to that app. So I'm wondering if maybe they've just decided that, not worth it to update and work on a Facebook app. Or is it just a temporary thing? We'll see. But it is weird that the Messenger app's still there, though. I would have thought they would have pulled that too. But anyways, we're going to take a look and take a peek at that for sure. For those that are using Facebook, a lot of you don't want to use Facebook. A lot of you left Facebook. So just be warned that if you are using the Facebook app from the Microsoft Store, it has gone. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.